It's that time again, friends, where we are going to be going over the March mystery. So this mystery has already shipped if you are subscribed. If you are not subscribed, check out the Buy Sell Trade group. That is the best place if you're trying to look for one. And yeah, if you sign up next month, it'll be a different art set completely. And yeah, but it's always exclusive and always quite beautiful in my opinion. So let's go ahead and get into this month. I am so excited for this month because I'm kind of in my crafty girl era. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is exclusive art by Kitten and Jess, and it is an artist theme, and I'm obsessed. I think Jess chose these colors, and they are beautiful. So let's go through the ultimate kit first. I'm just gonna tell you, y'all, if you think Jess is killing it from the outside, from like just seeing her on the gram and on the YouTubes, you don't even know. She's killing it even more than that. She is just the best. So let me give you some close-ups. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. I love these colors. I feel like you could do rainbow with this. I paired it with sparkly hollow, but I feel like you could do like one of these colors as well. Like if you wanted to do a blue or a green, a pink, a yellow, if you wanted to do gold hollow, something like that. There's lots of options, but safe bet is silver and sparkly hollow, I think. So those are the full boxes. These colors are perfection. The one reason I didn't want to do rainbow with this is there's not a purple, and I feel like the purple in rainbows quite prominent at times, but I do think it could work. Do you know what I mean? Love this box here with the paint brushes. This is literally me recently. It's just paint everywhere, and I am obsessed. So stinking cute. I love it. Here's your bottom washi with the check print, and then I love this scene of the like pottery or the sculptures. The extra color is the pink. You have the all different colors here as well. I have like a little nude on the bottom. Another extra color. This is like an extra sheet. So you have a pink and an orange, and then let me show you the regular colors that are in the kit. So you have a more of a rainbow situation going on here without the purple, like I said. So you got like an extra page here that has another color, and then some more fashion people, and then that makes all 6 fashion for both of these fashion options. So you got an extra page this month, and then you do have the 2 fashion people on the front as well as the one holding the paint. So stinking pretty. I'm in love. And then like I said, there is a sparkly hollow with this, so it is a sparkly hollow sparkle. So this is the sparkly hollow sparkle. I don't know how many times I'm going to say it, but you have your 6 full boxes and your header overlays, 2 of those, your bougie boxes, your icons and scripts, and then your bottom washi. So stinking pretty. So that is the ultimate kit. Okay, so that's the ultimate. Let's go ahead and go into the mini kit. Definitely our more affordable option. So we have our full boxes, the same deco page, the same glitter header page. This is the mini kit labels page. And then you have the bottom washi, I love this bottom washi. Ooh, I was going to be fine with just like black foil or like a matte bronze. I think could be cool because you have a lot of like the browns in the woods of the kit as well. You wanted to try something different. And then this is the extra page. Extra page you get with the one of the extra colors in the label sampler, and then there is a little sparkly hollow matte freebie as well in the mini kit. And that is everything for this month. I hope you like it even half as much as I like it, because I just think it is so stinking pretty, and I am so excited to use it. I don't know what foil color I'm going to use with it, if I'm going to be honest with you. Let me show you what rainbow looks like next to it so you can see and make some decisions. Here. I think it could work. It's just that purpley pink color is pretty prominent, but I don't know. I have decisions to make. I feel like gold hollow would be really cool with it as well because of that yellow, but that is everything for this month, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!